A second example is automated data quality rule application. And here, the key goal is to apply the data quality rules per the governance policies that are in place for this particular organization. So here in Axon, users can create data quality rules and associate them to concepts like the customer ID concept that I was talking about earlier, but anything else, it could be credit card number or social security number. And using data domain discovery techniques in the data catalog, we can find out what are the instances of those concepts. Where are the customer IDs located? Where are the credit card numbers? Where are the social security numbers? And because of that, this data quality rule association can be done to those instances through the concepts. Now, before this capability was available, users would have to associate each or create data quality rules for each of these particular columns separately. Now, you create the data quality rule for a concept, and using the intelligent domain discovery capabilities, intelligent glossary association capabilities, we are able to automatically find where the instances of those columns reside in the data lake or the data warehouse and apply them automatically. This way, they are not only, these data quality rules are not only automated, but they are also consistent. You're not creating different kinds of data quality rules for the same concept, which may have been possible when you were creating them manually for each data instance. A third capability that we made available end of last year was the natural language processing capability of generating data quality rules. Now here, let's look at what the users are doing today. Let's say there is a concept called customer ID, and you have to create a data quality rule. And this customer ID should have first two alphabets and last five as numbers. So it's a seven character string. First two should always be alphabets. Last five should always be numbers, and you have to write a data quality rule for that. Now, there is a subject matter expert. This subject matter expert knows everything about the customer domain. They know about what customer ID should look like, and that's how they refer to customer IDs. But they don't have the capability of writing the data quality rules directly. What this natural language processing data quality rule generation does is it automatically generates data quality rules, executable data quality rules from business intents that are described by these subject matter experts. So users can create a rule like age shouldn't be greater than 100, or customer ID should have first two alphabets and last five numbers as digits. And this module tries to look at that English sentence, and it generates these data quality rules. It identifies what concept that you're looking for, and it generates these executable data quality rules for those concepts. Now, combine that with what we talked about earlier, which was intelligent glossary association and auto data quality rule application to concepts, right? So a subject matter expert can come in, define a data quality rule in English. The concepts can be used to identify the instances of this data asset in the lake or the data warehouse where the column of customer ID lies. And then these data quality rules are automatically applied to each of these data instances. So starting from business intent of creating the rule to automatic application of this rule across large number of instances of that data set, all of that is made possible by Claire.